Hey there, meteorologist Wes White, getting ready for the news after the race on Fox 6. Be sure to join us. We're going to have some updated timing forecast graphics to keep you ahead of this next storm system set to roll in here on Monday. Had a great time today in Aniana. I was there at the safety fair along with meteorologist Jill Gilardi. Beautiful day for the third time, only the third time this spring. Birmingham hit 80 degrees, quite a warm-up. A few thin clouds moving through, but that bright moon shining through tonight. A beautiful sky and beautiful evening. Temperature is very pleasant out there. There will be a little bit of fog developing later on. We still got a lot of moisture out there from all that rainfall earlier in the week, and with it being much milder, certainly the chance for a little bit of fog development by early tomorrow morning. Look at the storm activity across Kansas, stretching into Chicago. Severe thunderstorm watches from just right around Wichita to just south of Green Bay, and you can see all the severe thunderstorm warnings. A very, very busy night for folks there from the Central Plains stretching into the Midwest. And watch what happens here tomorrow. We got one of those moderate risk we haven't seen in a while popping up. For severe weather across Oklahoma, the slight risk expands east into Mississippi. And look what happens on Monday. Here we go. We got the risk for severe weather moving into Alabama. The past trend here, past few days, certainly this system has looked a bit more aggressive run after run. We've got a front that's approaching us, and all this storm activity that's going to be firing up tomorrow and into tomorrow night, it's going to head our way. But watch what happens as it gets in Alabama, kind of weakens out. But this will bring us round number one of wet weather. I think we're in good shape during the morning Monday, but then we get another chance for some storm activity late Monday, and that's the storm action that could be a little rough. We'll have to watch it. If we kind of time it out here, you can see these storms may be a bit potent as they get into our northwest counties. We could see a severe thunderstorm warning maybe around Marion, northern Lamar County during the early morning hours on Monday. We'll have to watch those for the possibility of gusty winds, but they should be weakening. You can see here by 10:30 we're looking at mainly rain, maybe a little bit of thunder. Now, the big question, what kind of impact does this have on what happens later in the day? If it stays cloudy and stays wet all day, that's going to help lower the instability values. The models still squeeze out another round of storms during the evening, possibly reaching West Alabama as early as 4 o'clock. You can see where our model kind of has this position at 9, and this thing will kind of waver back and forth. I can guarantee you next couple days as it gets a better handle on what to expect. But if we get a little sunshine on Monday, that could add a little bit of fuel to the atmosphere. So we'll have to watch that potential closely. But you can see this all moves out of here late on Monday. So we're really going to have to watch it, kind of see how things set up during the day Monday. We could see a watch around here, maybe some severe thunderstorms. If we do get a severe storm, the wind energy does support the possibility of some strong winds, maybe a few tornadoes in the mix. So hopefully this will just remain an all-rain event. But right now we can't rule out the chance of severe storms. Hey, phase number 2 of this system, look at this. We're talking about more heavy rainfall. And look what the model produces there around Fayette and Jasper. Over 3 inches of rain. And here in West Alabama, the Black Warrior River is still very high, as well as the Tom Bigby, just now starting to go down. And here we are talking about some big-time rain again. Now, we're not expecting 5 inches of rain, but 2 to 3 inches of rain, that's going to cause some big flood issues once again. We're going to have to watch that potential closely to start off the week. 74 at the time of this update in Birmingham. Feeling good tonight. We went with a low around 55. As cool as 51 around center. Back into the low 80s tomorrow, but keep in mind it is going to be a brisk, windy day out there with that south wind picking up. A little bit of fog later tonight. Once that fog burns off tomorrow morning, beautiful sky overhead, 81 degrees. And on the 7-day forecast, there's that big rainmaker moving in on Monday. Rain will be likely, so expect that wet weather. We'll wake up to a few showers on Tuesday, but this system is going to be ending. Check out the low Wednesday. A light freeze will be possible for some areas. It's about to get cold. And then we're looking at a chance for some wet weather as we get into Easter weekend. More on that in your forecast again after the race. Join us on Fox 6. If you have questions about the forecast, Facebook.com, Wes Wyatt Fox 6. And on Twitter, you can follow me there at Wes Wyatt Weather. I share a lot of weather discussions on Facebook. A great way to just share those posts with your family members and friends. Help spread the word. When we have these stormy weather setups on the horizon, I've got a post on my Facebook page right now. But we'll be back here again later on tonight. Hopefully you can join us on Fox 6. And Jill's back tomorrow morning to get your Sunday started bright and early. Be sure to join Fox 6 News Sunday morning starting at 7 o'clock. That's your webcast update. Again, join us after the race.